Folate's connection to mental health reaches far deeper than most people realize, weaving a fascinating story that touches on biochemistry, genetics, and even the way we respond to medications. While it's often reduced to a footnote in discussions of prenatal vitamins, folate is in fact a critical player in the production of neurotransmitters such as serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine, the very chemicals that shape our mood, motivation, and sense of well-being. When folate levels run low, the methylation-dependent synthesis of these neurotransmitters falters, leading to imbalances that can manifest as persistent sadness, apathy, or anxiety. It's a subtle but profound effect. By simply lacking sufficient folate, the brain's communication systems can become sluggish or erratic, setting the stage for depression. But beyond contributing to neurotransmitter production, folate status may also influence how well a person responds to antidepressant therapy, a lesser-known but potentially life-changing insight. Several studies have found that people with low folate or elevated homocysteine, a byproduct of impaired folate metabolism, tend to show poorer outcomes when treated with standard antidepressants. Supplementing with folate or its active form, L-methylfolate, can sometimes restore responsiveness, especially in individuals with certain genetic variants of the MTHFR enzyme, which impair the conversion of folic acid into usable folate. These findings suggest that for some, depression isn't simply a matter of brain chemistry, but of inadequate nutrient support for the enzymes and pathways that keep that chemistry in balance. Intriguingly, folate may also help protect against cognitive decline and the brain fog that often accompanies chronic depression. By supporting healthy methylation of DNA in neurons, folate helps regulate genes involved in synaptic plasticity, the brain's ability to adapt, learn, and form memories. This aspect of folate's function is rarely discussed, yet could be key in understanding why depression is not just a mood disorder, but also one that can erode concentration, decision-making, and overall mental sharpness. Adding yet another layer, folate's role in mental health might intersect with inflammation, a growing area of research into depression's root causes. Low folate status has been associated with elevated levels of pro-inflammatory markers like interleukin-6 and C-reactive protein. Since inflammation can disrupt neurotransmitter signaling and neural circuits, maintaining adequate folate may indirectly calm neuroinflammation, helping stabilize mood over time. Thus, far beyond its textbook role in preventing neural tube defects, folate emerges as a silent but powerful ally in mental health. From supporting the molecular machinery behind mood-regulating neurotransmitters to influencing antidepressant response and even dampening inflammation, folate's multifaceted contributions invite a more nuanced appreciation of how nutrition, genes, and the mind are inextricably linked. Prioritizing optimal folate intake, through diet or supplements when needed, may not only improve emotional resilience, but also transform the prospects of millions struggling with depression, offering hope from an unexpected and often overlooked source.